The whole damn week I work from 9 to 5, trying to keep some of my dreams alive. Sitting at a desk and looking at a screen, surviving on a cup of caffeine.